Okay, hi everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking just a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And I've got two dream building business opportunities that I want to share with you. Okay, and you'll be able to access now all of the information from the page that you're looking at here. And so I'm going to leave the link to this page in the description area of this video. Now, the first program is an instant direct pay system, 100% commission program, okay? And it's only $50 one time to get started. So as you can see here, and so what I'll do is I'll just go down this page, and this is really the main business that's being featured on this particular page because it is instant pay. And, you know, people looking for instant money so that they can, you know, maybe help with some bills, okay, to help with a car note, okay, to create a vacation fund or whatever, okay. Instant pay, the money comes direct to you. So let's kind of look at that together. As you can see, it says only $50 one time out of pocket, okay, and that's it. All right, instant direct daily pay system, 100% commission, okay, and you get the to choose the payment processor of your choice. I think there's about 6 or 7 that we use, and that you can plug right into, boom, and you'll have that ready to go for you, okay. So things like Cash App, let me see, Google Pay, okay, Stripe, what's the other one? It's a few other ones that kind of escape my mind right now, but yeah, you'll be able to pick pretty much any one of those, okay, and it's about 3 or 4 other ones as well, okay, and basically they're the ones that people use. Venmo is another one, okay. Yeah, that was trying to for some reason, man, I think it was escaping my brain, okay. I had a brain fog for a moment, okay. All right, enough of that, okay. So as you can see, payment processors of your choice, okay, no admin fee or website fee, no monthly fees, okay? Okay, so with this opportunity, okay, you're not going to need, here we are, you're not going to need a website, all right? Why? Because you're going to receive a high converting web page, okay? So this is a very easy, simple system, all right? And the products are digital marketing products that are going to help you to market not only this business, but any business that you choose to market, okay? And for those who join with me in this opportunity, there's some extras. And here's the beautiful thing about the extras, okay? These extras you'll be able to share with people that join you as well. So we have everything in place for you. So let's just take a look at those. So you're going to receive, you know, copy and paste simple emails and text that you can use, okay. Effective advertising sources. So you're going to get my advertising sources that you can use every single day, all right, and share this business opportunity with. Plus, you're also going to get my daily success action plan. And again, all of these that you're looking at here, you'll be able to share with your people that sign up under you as well, okay? Also, there are some bonus digital marketing products, some that you can give away, some that you can sell. So you're going to get access to those as well. Also, weekly motivation and business tips, okay? So as you can see here, so you know, this is power packed for $50 one time out of pocket, okay? So keep that in mind. And so let's just move this down just a bit. Okay, let me do this. Okay, let me come back. All right. Okay, I wanted to share the rest of the page with you, okay, really quickly. And as you can see here, it says, please click the link below to access my high converting web page, the same web page that you're going to receive to market this $50 business, okay? And you'll come here. Now, there's also a link here. It says click here to learn about our free bonus dream business opportunity. Now, this opportunity, okay, is absolutely free to get started, all right? It's zero risk. It is a no-cost system, okay? And we're introducing some shocking new technology that is automatically helping people build wealth from home. And all you have to do is come here and click this link right here, okay? And you'll be able to access that information. Now, here's my name and my telephone number and my email address as well, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the link to this page in the description area of this video, okay? Or it's going to be somewhere where you can access it. If you find this video on YouTube, yeah, it's going to be in the description area, okay? If you find it in one of my safe lists, you find it there, then the link is going to be there as well, okay? I hope that makes sense. All right, but nonetheless, there you have it. Hope that you check things out. You want to make some money, we've got a great program for you. 2 great dream building business opportunities. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Grab that link and check things out. All right, you be blessed. Bye-bye now.